Welcome to Brooks Guitar Lessons. I am Bill Brooks. Today we're going to be looking at I'm Yours from Jason Mraz. So don't go away. I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. Okay, we're going to start with the B chord that I showed you recently. And what that is an F sharp major chord. And it gets its shape from full-on 6-string bar chord F. So, what that means is you're going to put your first finger across all the strings, and then we're going to use our second, third, and fourth fingers in the same shape that the E was, just one fret up. So it sounds like, remember this? So we're just adding more strings to the shape that we already know. So we're going to chord this and this string. You're not going to move your first finger. You're going to lay down the second, third, and fourth exactly the way I showed you. Wait a minute, what does that look like? If I slide that all the way down, it's an E chord. So that's where it derives from. It evolves from the open E chord. So if you move it up one fret, it's an F chord. And if you move it up another fret, it's an F sharp chord. So that's what we're going to play. We're going to play the B and the F sharp. And then the next chord, we're going to move the F sharp chord up 2 more frets, and then we're going to lift the second finger. So for some of you, it's going to be a lot of exercise, but it'll be good for you. So that is a G sharp minor chord. So how do we know? We know that because if we, and that's what it sounds like right there. If we take remember the open E minor chord, like that, and then we slide that up. Don't forget to bring the bar with you. Well, we can't, it's going to be better if we use the third and fourth fingers. So we're going to slide that up. That's the F minor chord. That's the F sharp minor chord. That's the G minor chord. G sharp minor chord. So make sure you keep that second finger out of there. So now we have the B. F sharp. G sharp minor. And then we're going to slide all the way down to the E. See how much easier it is to play the E now with the second, third, and fourth strings, because those are already in position when I was playing the G sharp minor here. So I'm just sliding these 2 fingers to the second fret and then laying down the second finger in place. This is going to be a hand workout. It's going to be exercise different muscles that you didn't know that you had. Okay, that is a lot of chords that I just threw at you. Those are bar chords. Don't be too hard on yourself if you don't get them immediately. The F chord is a big hurdle. It's a big jump. So keep on practicing. You can do it if you work on it. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, guitar class is dismissed.